probably have someone you love and revere. But let me share with you what may be the greatest love of your life. He was someone who was caring and truthful, gentle yet brave, handsome but humble, and he loved you more than words could ever describe. In fact, he's the type that the more you found out about him, the more you loved him. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet's smile is a seminar that's going to take us on a journey. Imagine really knowing him. Through the course of the Prophet's smile, you're going to learn about Shama'il, the perfection of his traits and qualities, his skills as a leader and teacher, and how you can apply them today. How he connected with and could relate to all the people in his life, the way he brought out the best in those around him, and last but not least, all the ways that his prophetic conduct can transform your life when applied. Now, who's taking us on this journey? AlMaghrib's very own Shaykh Yahya Ibrahim. There's only a short window to register, so sign up today and let's embark on this prophetic journey together.